Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need verified status and a partner-compatible channel to access YouTube merch features. Once verified, create your merchant accounts. Upload high-resolution artwork, 300-600 DPI PNGs with transparent backgrounds, and organize source files. Next, pick a fulfillment path, built-in merch partners or an external Shopify plus print-on-demand integration. Make sure payment and tax info are entered. Connect your channel to the chosen store, then enable the merch shelf or ad store links in your channel settings so you can start listing. Now focus on the core assets and listing details. Adapt your designs to each product template, pay attention to printable areas and color profiles, and create mockups for thumbnails. Once mockups look good, add sizes, variants, and SKU codes. Include size charts and washing instructions in descriptions to reduce returns. Price each item by adding a profit margin above base cost, then configure shipping regions and tax collection. Finally, publish listings as drafts to preview store layout before making them live. Launch your store with a dedicated video that shows products in use. Link the store in the pinned description and enable the merch shelf when eligible. Promote using community posts, end screens, and a pinned comment. Consider a short discount or limited drop to drive early purchases. Monitor analytics and order fulfillment, respond to customer messages, and reorder bestsellers. If something goes wrong, like missing orders, first check your fulfillment partner's dashboard and payment settings. Contact support and notify customers with clear, timely updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.